how is it that in a space of how many months you have about 5,000 subscribers now? What exactly are you doing?
I'm being original, and I'm talking about my merch. This is my first merch on YouTube, wherever, whenever. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Vera here as always and as usual, and today is day one of our weekly vlog, episode 3 for the month of November. Today is Monday, the 9th day of November 2020. So guys, looking at me, I am ready for work. As you guys may recall from the last episode, I talked about getting a job, how I was able to get a job and all that. So if you missed the last episode, please go check it out to get a hang of what the job is all about. Okay, my day started very early. I woke up and without saying a word of prayer, which I am so I don't know how I'm feeling about that, because my day usually starts with prayer. But today I woke up, I looked at my computer, I jumped right into it. I started working on the last video, which took me the whole of yesterday to work on. In fact, it took me the entire weekend. That was a very serious vlog, and I hope you guys will show that vlog support and a lot of love, because I really spent time and I really spent money, and God, I'm not even talking about the money, I'm talking about the time. So please guys, you guys should appreciate that. And after that, I said my prayer eventually. So, and as you guys already know, in case you don't know, I'm a Catholic. I was born and raised Catholic, and I still attend Catholic. So that's why you're seeing the rosary, the Bible. And I also studied the ODM. I'm talking about our daily manner. So it's been very useful to me and my spiritual growth and all that. So basically that's what I did in the morning. And while at work, I'm hoping to see the doctor today, because you guys will recall from the last episode that I talked about running some medical tests for medical fitness and all of that. The lab results are back, and I'm taking them to a doctor today to see him or her to certify me fit for the job. Or hopefully if I don't see anyone today, I'll leave it to another day. But if I should see one today, I'll take you guys along. So guys, if you want to see what the rest of my week looks like, please keep watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel right now if you've not done that. Like this video, share with your friends and your family, and I'll see you guys later. Peace, yeah. Hello, Dolo Ivana Tago. Guys, I'm back home, and I am exhausted. Seriously, this my smile is deceitful, very deceitful, because I am tired, I'm exhausted. Guys, honestly, if you ask me, I should sleep, but I'm not sure I should, because I need to get what I'm getting today. So I've gotten a bigger bed before, like last week or last 2 weeks, and I'm getting a bigger bed and I'm getting a bigger mattress or foam today to complement it. So I'm going to bring all of them back today. And guys, my heart is doing kikum because of the money I'm going to spend. Things are really expensive in Nigeria, like things are expensive. And the worst part of it is that while you're spending this money, you're also praying to God that what you're spending the money for is really worth it. Like, you're not buying fake, because this market people, they could swear on their lives, and at the end of the day, they're giving you something that is not worth it. Okay, so that's why Nigerian God, wherever he is, I'm sure he must be stressed out, he must be knackered, he must be looking old, because we're stressing with prayers. Imagine going to the market, you're praying, oh God, please help me, oh, let me not find a hand of dupes, let the thing I'm buying be original, because you give them original money, and it's not like I'm paying with counter, but you're not so sure of what you're buying. Okay, so this is just the struggle of growing up in Nigeria. This is the struggle of living in Nigeria. This is the struggle of doing business in Nigeria. And I just wish that one of you just say, you don't try, come over, come abroad. I'll just back up, pew pew, and come. Okay, so tell me how it is in your place. Do you have to go extra mile to confirm if what you're buying is original, or do you, as long as it is this thing that you are buying, you are sure this is it? And just tell me all of that in the comment section. I'll be looking forward to reading all of that. But right now, let me go and try my luck and hope I succeed in getting an original mattress today. That is my phone and it's ready. Today I have a couple of meetings to attend. The first one is by 9 a.m. and it's a few minutes past 8 or 8:30 by my time, so that means I'll be leaving very soon. Then after that I have another one. I'm at the office right now, and the meeting is yet to start because the principal member of this meeting is on his way. Guys, you know this thing they call African time, it is so wrong. It is so annoying, and to think that I skipped breakfast just to be here in time. I'm angry and I'm hungry. Like when I got in here, made the call, he's still somewhere far away from here, and the pangs of the hunger just resurrected. Like, give me now, I should have just eaten. Like if I had eaten, relaxed and done all those things, I'll still be here and he wouldn't be here still. So I'm just waiting. So this is my third meeting for the day, like I told you, and I'm with the adorable Ifoma. In fact, it's not Ifoma, we know her as Ify Melody on Solid FM, and she's been saying nice things about me. Like, guys, am I that nice? Am I nice?
Well, you've been following her, so I'm sure you already know that she is that nice, yes. And thank God she's confirming it. As I watched most of her videos, I'm meeting her today for the very first time. Yeah. And YouTube made it happen, really. One of the things I saw on her video, you know, all through her videos, was her sincerity. And then her smile is so captivating. She's still smiling like that right now. She's still smiling like that right now. And when I saw she was in Enugu, our very own Enugu,
our core city,
our core city, Ebana City, I had to come to confirm it for myself. I'm touching her, she's real.
I'm real.
She's real, she's live. And you know, one of the things I do on my program, I run Business Matters on Solid 100.9 FM. I talk to people about the power of digital marketing. I talk to people about the power of social media, and that's what you can see right here.
A product,
you know,
of social media.
Yes, a product of social media. I mean, social media is making this happen. Beyond that, she projects Enugu, and Enugu is really lovely. You can see all the beautiful places she shows you on the videos. We've got so much, and not to talk about tourism. Oh my goodness, the nature, the calmness. It's a beautiful place, any day, anytime. Yeah. So that is it. I have so much to say, and I'm very excited, but I'll try to keep it down. Okay, I'll try to keep it down. So interestingly, I've invited Vera for my radio show. Yeah. And I can't wait to have her on it. I'm sure she's going to stream it live on YouTube when she comes, and I will stream it live on my Facebook page when she comes. Yeah. On my program, I've interviewed people like YJ. I've interviewed Joyce Daniels, who I call the Queen of Talk, powerful lady. We've had amazing, you know, stars and you know, top business people.
Amazing stars.
Yes.
I'm not your mate. Good morning. This is day 3, and this is the day I'm going live on radio or live on air on Business Matters show with Ify Melody Ajumobi, and I'll be talking about storytelling using social media and YouTube, and also be discussing my journey so far as a YouTuber in Enugu and the Southeast entirely. So it's just going to be fun and all of that. So I'm just waiting. I have a few minutes before I go on air, and I'll take you guys along, and I'm with my PA. Good morning. Alright, so she'll handle the camera while I'm in there, and I hope she films very well. If she doesn't film very well, hold that. It's not my fault because I'll be talking and she'll be handling the camera. So I'll see you guys later.
And to join us to share such insights, or that particular insight, is Vera Chidima, popularly known as Chief Vera. Chief Vera. Why Chief Vera, by the way?
I'm an aspiring chief.
Oh my, yeah. Interesting. Okay, when we come back, you will hear from the aspiring chief. How do you do the videos, and how do you also choose the content that you put out?
Okay, I make the videos myself. Then talking about content, choosing them, most times they come naturally. Some other times they come as a request from my audience. Initially, it came naturally. There are things in Enugu I wanted to show people about. If you watch my videos on YouTube, you realize that I initially started by showing what Enugu looks like in 2020. These are places you could go, because when people think of Enugu, they think of Enugu as a little village where little or nothing happens. So I wanted to change that narrative. So that was what inspired my content from the onset. But right now, sometimes it's inspired by requests from the audience. People say, oh, I want to see this, I want to see that, and all that. So right now, it's a combination of my personal choice and my requests from my audience.
Interesting. So it started with what you wanted to showcase, and then in the course of your journey, people started making requests.
Yes.
And of course, to satisfy your audience to a very good extent, you started fine-tuning, tweaking your requests. So what are the kind of things your audience asks for?
Surprisingly and interestingly, which I enjoy, they ask for the same thing I stand for, which is to see Enugu. Like I said earlier, at first your audience might not be defined. You may not know whom your target audience are, but immediately you start doing that, knowing fully well this is what you want to achieve, with time they will come around. There's always going to be a fraction of people who are interested in what you have to offer, regardless of how small or how big they are. But there are people yearning for what you have to offer. So whatever type of story you are trying to tell on social media, there are audience for you for that. So you just have to keep pushing it out until you find them and they find you. So It does work.
Keep pushing it out until you find them and they find you. I really love this. And these are simple, very basic principles. So share your experience from when you started in March till now. How many followers, subscribers did you have, and how is it that in a space of how many months you have about 5,000 subscribers now? What exactly are you doing?
I'm being original.
Now, another thing there is the fact that you also are repping a particular real estate organization right now, and you said it happened on YouTube as well.
Yes,
You got that call on YouTube. All right, I chose this particular insight today because what Vera is doing has to take a lot of belief in oneself to stay on that path. Also, people can actually call you for a job and say, come and represent us, come and do this for us. Your platform is strong enough, and I think if I place something on it, it will yield something for me. You have to be consistent, you have to believe in yourself to be able to stay on it and drive it to that place where you get noticed online.
So I am done with the show now. I'm off air, and like I asked on all my social media platforms, did I embarrass you or did I make you guys proud? Just tell me in the comment section. I'll be looking forward to reading that. And then from here, I'll be moving away. I have an errand to run in town, and I also need to pick something from the market. Yesterday, I didn't go to the market because the meetings kept increasing and increasing. Like, I met a lot of people yesterday, so that's why I didn't do that. So I'll quickly get that, and I'll be home. And my card is already reading that it's almost full, so I may not record all of that. But let's say hello to my PA. I guess she tried. Okay. She tried, right? Okay, so we got those footages courtesy of her, and I'm so happy I was on this show. I've gotten a lot of feedbacks already from people on my social media platform, and they said I did them proud. So you guys tell me if I embarrassed you or did you proud, and hopefully, like someone says, CNN loading. Guys, I want to cry. I'm in severe pain. The reason is that my last video, which is doing well, that is the video about coal camp, the documentary / tour of coal camp, is doing well. It's 2 days now, and it has gathered over 4,000 views. But guys, I'm not earning a dime from that video. I don't know the reason. I placed ads on it, I monetized the video, but there are no ads playing on it, and I'm not making shake bomb like I'm not making from that money. I'm not making from that video at all. If there's anything less than cents, I'm not making from that video. So I reached out to YouTube, had to chat with their support team, their live support team, and they told me there is nothing humanly possible that they can do because they've gone through my channel. I did not I do not have any copyright strike. I did not go against any rule, both community and advertisers rule. I did not go against it, and they can't help me out because all the adverts that are placed on people's videos are not done manually. They're done automatically. Okay, so they can't help me by placing ads on it, and they can't seem to find the reason why there are no ads on it. So they're just asking me to wait. And the hurtful part is that I spent a lot of resources, both financial and human and time resources, working on that video with the hope that I'm going to recoup all of this, you know, get compensated by a good revenue from the video. But you know what they say, that man proposes, God disposes. But in this case, YouTube proposes or YouTube disposes. Okay, so I'm not getting anything, and it is hurting because a lot of people are watching that video longer than usual. A lot of people are watching the video to the end, and that is a great recipe for good revenue on YouTube. But your baby girl is not earning anything from the video, so I'm hurt. The only compensation or consolation I have right now is the fact that this video is getting a lot of engagements. I read all the comments as usual. I read your comments, you guys know, and these comments are not even like wow nice video comment. They are like Facebook worth of comments. You guys, like a lot of you guys wrote a lot of wonderful things, and I'm so thankful and grateful for all of you. This is one of my dreams of coming to YouTube, to form a community where people can relate with my content and also get to relate with them. So reading all of that means that you guys really related with that content, and I appreciate. And also, if you guys are looking forward to support that neighborhood in any way or the other, okay, please reach out to me. I'll facilitate your help getting to them as usual and all that. So far so good. I'm not earning, I'm just consoled by the engagement, which I am happy and grateful for. So I'm also putting this out for the sake of new and aspiring creators. YouTube is not all about glitz and glamour. After my radio show yesterday, I got a lot of calls, not calls, emails from people who were asking if they can join YouTube, what are the tips and tricks, what do they like, what kind of content should they put out on YouTube, you know, and all that. So yeah, people ask such questions too. Well, YouTube is big, it's going to contain all of us, but one thing I should let you know is that YouTube is not glitz and glamour. There is a lot of hard work, and YouTube is just like every other business. Just like your poultry business, a lot of people go into poultry with the hope of raising birds they will sell during Christmas and make a lot of money. But something will happen. 21st December, your birds will die for nothing. Maybe even not even thunder will strike them. Like God, why am I like this? Okay, thunder will not strike them, but for no reason, you wake up the following day, your birds are all dead, and everything you put out or put in that business is gone. So YouTube is also like that. So like imagine me right now, I put up everything, stepped up my game and all that, hoping to make something out of this video, and I'm not making. So that is how YouTube works. So don't come with the intention of, oh, YouTube is all about cashing out in dollars, having people give to you, or being recognized by brands or people on the street and all that. No, it happens, but there is a lot of hard work. A lot of YouTubers work harder than people who have 9-to-5 jobs, because this business is very dicey and tricky. So just bear that in mind before you jump into sacking your boss, telling them, I got my camera, I got my accent, I got my attitude, I'm jumping onto YouTube. It could favor you, it may not favor you, but it's all about ups and downs. Okay, so that is that. And guys, let me show you my bed before I run off for today. So guys, that is the bed. The bed measures 6 by 6, that is 2 feet. And I got the foam as well. I also got 2 extra pillows in addition to the 2 I had. So it's all about sleeping time for me. It's not like I sleep a lot, but yeah, so that is the bed. It is big, it is quite massive, but I just had to do what I had to do. And that is that, guys. So until I come your way next Thursday, let me go back to lamenting and weeping. However, I'm just I've conditioned myself, or trying to condition myself, to think less of the video and focus on creating more content for you guys. Okay, so no be person dying, I just money will lose nabi. So that is that. We no longer wear clothes in Nigeria, especially in Enugu. This sun is crazy, everywhere is so hot. This is the time where you buy lip gloss, aka wet lips. You know, as a kid we called it wet lips, so because your lips might crack, and it's also a very good time to buy a car in case you don't have car. So for people like us, for people like us, we don't get car because dust gonna deal with us. It's dusty, it is sunny. The only good thing about this weather is that you get to wash your clothes and they dry like ASAP. Before you get back to your house, your clothes are dry depending on the material you washed. And another thing is that Christmas is getting close. I love Christmas, although things are hard in Nigeria right now, but I just like the idea of Christmas. So whether you're celebrating with one cow or ofefi for your family members, or you're celebrating with fish or chicken, I just love Christmas, the whole breeze and the idea of Christmas and the songs and everything. I'm looking forward to all of that. So that's just one thing I like about this. But every other thing, it is hot. It is hot, really hot. Hey guys, good morning this beautiful Saturday morning. So this is day 6 of our weekly vlog. Guys, you didn't see me yesterday because I was off the radar. I decided to rest yesterday, and interestingly, I later went out to meet one of our subscribers, one of our gang members. He's in town and he sent me an email and all that, so we met up. And the good thing about that meeting is, because of me, because of my vlog, because of the information I share with you guys on this channel, he's planning to relocate to Enugu. So the meeting was formal and semi-formal, do you get? So we talked business, we talked we shared banters and all that. So it was a lovely meeting. I didn't go with my camera, so I didn't film that, and I don't know his username here on YouTube. So but shout out to you, because I'm sure you will watch this video and all that. Now, talking about today, this morning, guys, I've gone out and come back. I've gone out to secure my 2K and I'm back. So I had a dental appointment this morning with a client that booked for 8 a.m. appointment. So I woke up very early with my PA as usual. And guys, my PA is actually my kid's sister, so she's been sort of assisting me lately because ASU is on strike and they're not in school in Nigeria. So let her learn some small work and all that with me. So we went together and we're already back. But as usual, I took you guys along, and this is what the whole practice and routine care was all about. So basically what I did for this person is routine dental scaling and polishing, nothing serious, nothing invasive or that serious. So it is something you're required to do 2 times a year, that is every 6 months, and it requires me taking off deposits, stains and all that from your teeth surface, which improves the color and the health of your mouth and teeth generally. Okay, so, and like I said before, I do not charge a lot, and it's a mobile service. That is why you see me going from homes and offices of different people. I do not have a clinic, and that is just that. So it's a mobile service, and I'm doing that in a mobile way so that I can bridge the gap, because a lot of people have phobia for dental clinics. Once it's hospital, they're not coming. Once it's dental clinic, you're not coming. But when you tell them it's something you can do in the comfort of your home, it sort of allays the fear and anxiety in them, so they are comfortable with that. Okay, so basically that is it. And I've gotten quite a good number of clients based here in Enugu. And that person I worked on the last time, this is his second appointment for this year, so he is up to date. He's that good, and I'm proud of him. Okay, so that is that. I'm waiting for the second person's call. I'm supposed to treat another person today, and he's not yet picking up his call. I don't know if he's going to call me again or not, but if he does, I'll still take you guys along. But I just wanted to show you what the whole procedure and setup looks like. All right, but if he doesn't call, I might just end the vlog here and start editing. But before we go away, I have something very interesting to share with you guys, and I'm talking about my merch. This is my first merch on YouTube, wherever, whenever. Okay, I've never sold anything produced by me, but I have something I'm selling right now, and it was inspired by my last vlog on the documentary about coal camp. So after I did that, I got a couple of requests, do something for us. We want to rep our hood, we want to rep where we come from and all that. I said, okay, let me do that. So let me show you guys what the merch is all about. So I have 2 of them, this and this, in both colors. So it either comes in white or in black, but in different sizes. So that is that. And I also have different write-ups. So some read this is coca, Other Street, Core Camp, Enugu, Other Street, Core Camp, Core City. So that is that. So if you also want different designs on yours, you can always make that request known. And I want you guys to please support this and start ordering. This merch goes for 5,000 naira, that is $13, excluding delivery or shipping fee. So I don't know how the shipping thing works. I'm going to find out about that. That is if you're living outside Nigeria, and for those of us living outside Enugu, delivery fee is basically 1k or 1.5, I don't know, but the merch goes for 5,000 naira per one. So guys, please embarrass me with your orders, and so that is that. So this is my merch. Like I said, if you want other designs, if you want whatever it is, just tell me, and as usual, my email address is always in the description box. Write me and I'll get back to you. Or if you don't know where to find the description box, my email address is verachidinma7@gmail.com. the Chidinma is double M-A, not N-M-A, okay? And I'll be looking forward to your orders and all that. Please support me. I have not printed a lot of these because I want to sample your opinions first. If it's something you like, if it's something you want to buy, before producing something that only I and my family members will start wearing, okay? Thank you very much, and until I come your way next time, do have a wonderful time. Hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. And yeah, that is how my weeks can be. Sometimes it gets crazy, sometimes it's all fun, sometimes it's all work, but regardless of what it is, I love you all. Thanks for supporting me thus far. Like this video, share with your friends and your family, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.